Let's talk about our day-to-day useful generative AI tools that we should all know and make use of to streamline our work, boost productivity, and improve our decision-making. These tools are no longer just futuristic concepts. They are practical assistants we can use right now in our professional as well as personal lives. In this chapter, we've already covered some important supply chain-focused applications. But now, let's shift our attention toward the everyday tools that most of us can access. And the very first one to begin with is none other than Chatgpt. Chatgpt, as you might already know, is one of the most popular generative AI tools in the world. It can generate human-like responses, draft emails, write reports, analyze large amounts of text, prepare presentations, summarize long documents, and even help with brainstorming ideas. Imagine you are working late on a project and need to prepare a professional business proposal in just a few hours. Chatgpt can instantly give you a well-structured draft, which you can refine and finalize, saving you hours of time. Beyond writing, Chatgpt is also being widely used for decision support. For example, managers can input supply chain scenarios, compare options, and get structured insights quickly. Students can use it for learning complex subjects in simple language. And professionals across industries use it to automate repetitive documentation, improve communication, and even generate new creative ideas. So, in a way, Chatgpt acts as a digital co-pilot, always available to help you think, write, and decide better. Hopefully, you're excited to start with this amazing tool, because this is just the beginning of the generative AI journey, and we'll explore many more tools after this one. What other tools do we have? After Chatgpt, another powerful generative AI tool we must know is Google Bard, now also known as Gemini AI. This tool is excellent for research, idea generation, and summarizing large amounts of data. Imagine you are preparing a market analysis report for your supply chain or logistics project. Instead of manually reading dozens of articles and reports, you can input your queries into Bard Gemini, and it will generate a concise, well-structured summary. You can also ask it to highlight trends, compare competitors, or even suggest actionable strategies. Many professionals use it to quickly gather insights and make informed decisions, saving hours of research time. Next, we have Microsoft Copilot, which is integrated with popular Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Now, this is truly a game changer for day-to-day productivity. For example, in Excel, Copilot can automatically analyze large data sets, create pivot tables, generate charts, and even provide insights on inventory trends or procurement performance. In PowerPoint, it can design entire presentation decks based on your key points or raw content. Think of it as having a smart assistant embedded directly into the tools you already use every day. It accelerates your work and enhances decision-making with minimal effort. Moving on, another amazing tool is Notion AI, which is perfect for knowledge management, planning, and collaborative work. Many supply chain professionals use Notion AI to organize project plans, track KPIs, or even draft SOPs and standard documentation. You can ask it to summarize meeting notes, create checklists, or generate content for internal communication. It's like having an intelligent assistant that keeps all your work organized while helping you think faster and smarter. Finally, for more creative and visual requirements, we have Midjourney, which specializes in generating images from text prompts. While it's widely known in design and marketing, it is also useful in supply chain and product management. For instance, if you need to visualize packaging designs, product layouts, or warehouse setups, Midjourney can quickly generate realistic concepts that help in decision-making before any physical prototypes are created. So, in a nutshell, we simply saw that tools like Chatgpt, Bard Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Notion AI, and Midjourney are not just futuristic ideas. They are practical solutions for our daily work. They help us save time, make better decisions, and improve productivity. Hopefully you enjoyed this overview, and I believe today you have learned some amazing tools that can truly transform how we work and manage tasks every single day.